I have seen thousands of people give their lives, their energy, their resources, spend years in discipling the young students. Kasi naniniwala sila that as they disciple the young students, mas maraming Vico ang mag-rise up. Naniniwala sila na the way we build our nation is by raising leaders of tomorrow. And that's by going to the campuses and reaching out to the students today. I have seen many people spend countless efforts just to be able to send students and give them scholarships dahil wala silang pampaaral. Because we also believe that the way we solve poverty is by giving people education so that they could bring their families out of poverty also. I have seen Christians run for office, spend their own money just to support the other Christians running for office and to encourage the young people to do the same. Ibig sabihin, when we look at the efforts of our churches sa Victory, we have done far more than posting on social media and joining a one-day event to show our heart for nation building. Naniniwala po tayo na yung lahat or marami sa mga ginagawa natin para maging matinong mamamayan ng Pilipinas at para i-build yung nation natin. And so when somebody approaches you and says, "Ba't ganyan kayong mga taga-Victory, wala kayong ginagawa?" Pakita niyo po lahat ng mga estudyante natin na nire-reach out natin. Pakita niyo lahat yung mga campus missionaries na nagsakripisyo ng buhay nila para dito. Pakita niyo lahat yung mga scholars natin sa real life na ngayon may trabaho na, ngayon na itawid yung pamilya nila, buong pamilya nila out of poverty. Pakita natin na hindi lang yun ang expression ng nation building. And